Hello everybody. So, a really quick video because that's all this really needs. But it's a very important video. If you upload to any online streaming services, they lower your volume to match it across the other audio volume. As you can see, these are the scores that I got. Now this is a video mix that I'm going to be uploading sometime tomorrow, so look out for that video. It's a surprise. But anyway, if this is accurate, and we could see that in the stats for nerds option, when you right click a video on a desktop, you can choose stats for nerds, and then it'll tell you. So if that is negative 1.4 when I upload this video, then great. Because this website, which I will link to below, gives you what's called the loudness penalty. So loudness penalty analyzer is the name of the site, but I will link to it below and in the comments. But yeah, this is a very cool tool, and apparently if you give them your email address, then yeah, apparently you can get a more detailed explanation of how to change things. But anyway, I don't know. I'm always weird about giving people my email address, so I'll probably just make a throwaway account. But anyway, yeah, very cool little nifty tool that I'm sure many of you guys out there can use. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and pass this video along to your fellow engineers, because this website needs some support. And I actually hope one day they make a plugin, because this whole thing with YouTube and Spotify and etc. is a pain in the butt. But it is a good thing for the loudness wars. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.org. .com.